Hi, my name is TandA. I'm a food vendor in Lagos, Nigeria, and I have served hundreds of people in the last 6 months with my sumptuous meal. Trust me. And again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so on this channel I'll be making videos on food tutorials. I'm going to be making videos to educate you, to tutor you on Nigerian meals, grilling, African foods, you know, different recipes, doing food vlogs, and a whole lot more. And I'm also here to help and guide you through those little things that you might be needing, you know, giving you tips on what to do and what not to do while you're cooking. So remember to hit the subscribe button, and also please turn on your post notification. And also, because I'll be posting every Thursdays and Saturdays, so do well to put on your post notification. And please, if you know somebody that knows somebody that wants to learn more about African food, about Nigerian food, do well to subscribe and do well to share my link. And you can also follow me on my Instagram handle at tanda_food_in. And if you want to place orders in Lagos, you can reach me on my WhatsApp contact at 081 20 42 93 88. So that being said, I would like to show you what's cooking.